Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how to install and use OmeTv in your Android mobile phone. Let's get started. The first step, open the Play Store. In the Search Apps area, type Omegle or OmeTv. Click on OmeTv. Click on Install. If you see this kind of pop-up text, you can click on Not Now or I agree. I will click on I agree. Now install it. Step 2. Click on Open. Click on Allow. Step 3. Now you can continue with Facebook or be contacted. But before you continue, you need to accept user agreement. Tap the dot to the right side. Click on Continue with Facebook. Click on Continue as your Facebook name. Allow OmeTv to take pictures and record video. Click on Only this time. Again, click on Allow. Here you can change country and gender, male or female. Now you can use OmeTv. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. See you next video.